What's up, everybody? This is Dallas Doan here, and today I just want to quickly show you a tool that I've noticed that have just kind of disappeared in Maya's menus, and I was trying to figure out where they put it, and it's called the transform component tool. And I remember using this, you don't use this tool too often, but when you need it, you can't seem to find it. So first off, I'm going to show you what the tool is, then I'm going to show you where it is and how to use it. So I'm going to give you an example here. This is a sphere, and again, this is just an example that I can think of that can showcase this properly. So sometimes, you're going to want to extrude these faces, for example. So you're going to press extrude faces, and you're going to move them out, right? And this way you get that even distributed extrusion, right? When you use the z-axis. Now, let's say you're finished with it, right? And now you want to move it again, like evenly, right? Obviously you can't, because now the pivot is changed, right? Even if you go to like object component, we'll do it. Do you see how when we changed it to component, it worked? So you can, all I'm holding is W for move, and I'm just left clicking, and I'm holding left click, and I'm going to component, right? So that's one way to do it. Or the other way is you can hold shift, right click, and you can go transform component here. Once you do that, now you can freely move it, and you're going to have that perfect balance and how you would expect it to move evenly as you pull on that z-axis. Hopefully that helps you out, and if you forgot or couldn't find it like I couldn't, then there it is. All right, see you guys all again next time. Bye now.